Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this presentation, we are going to see how you should have applied our simple day trading strategy on Wednesday's market to gain success in day trading. You can see whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. This blue color candlestick indicates Wednesday's market price opening, and the price opened above the green line, our moving average line, and the color of the candlestick is also in blue color. But in order to get an entry, the price should move above this first line. We had made it clear that whenever the price indicates or provides you any signal within this two line, we are not going to take this as a valuable signal. So we should be waiting for the price. Let us see that. So here the price started moving above the white line, first white line. So this can be our possible entry point. So where you will place your stop loss, the stop loss is based on the lower band, 3 points below the lower band. Now let us see what happened after that. Slowly and steadily, always you should have this habit of modifying your stop loss. Now let us see where we are moving your stop loss. So in this particular area around 5000 6529, which is our stop loss. So you can see the price is consolidating here for a long time, and here our stop loss got triggered. So we are going to delete this, considering the first entry ended up with a stop loss, and we will be waiting for a second opportunity. You can see after a very long time the price is consolidating, and it provided an entry signal in this particular area. So where you would have entered, you would have entered somewhere around 6513, or in this zone, particular zone. Now let us see what happened after that. So exactly, so what you will be doing is that you are going to place 7 points above the average. So we are waiting for that. Here you can see the price is still struggling, and hopefully you would have got some profit out of it, and also the price is also strongly consolidating. Here your stop loss would have been triggered in this particular area. So in this area our stop loss would have been triggered. So I am going to delete this again, considering that the second entry is also ended up with a stop loss. But this second entry had provided us some 15 points profit, but it's up to the traders to decide whether you should book profit for 15 points or not. Now we will be waiting. We know that we have crude oil inventory report on Wednesday. So you can see the date and time below. We are waiting for crude oil inventory report. Let us see what happened. Yes, this is the particular area where our inventory report got flashed, but still our charting platform didn't provide any signal. So here in this particular area it gave you a signal which shows that after the report the market, our charting platform indicates that the market can move down. Now let us see what happened after that. But initially if you see that our stop loss, if you are going to take this first white line as a reference for entry, then your second white line, second channel is going to be a stop loss. But initially if you see, this is a very big stop loss. But let's see what happened after that. But you should always have the habit of moving down your stop loss. Now we can see slowly and steadily your stop loss is decreasing, and it's coming up in a very good profit. You can see the price fell down, and it gave you a very decent profit, and we are going to delete this. So now after 2 consecutive loss, now you have ended up in a good profit. Now let us see what happened after that. So after that the price gave a bounce back, and whenever the price is touching this blue color line, you know that you should follow the 7-point rules. Here above the 7 points above that, here it is going to be an entry point, and 7 point below it's going to be a stop loss. So in this particular area you can see here you would have entered into that. So it's a very long consolidation, then slowly and steadily the price just went up and provided you quite a decent profit also. So on seeing the entire price action on Wednesday's market, we can say that it had provided you 4 entry points. Out of the 4 entry points, the first one is a straight away stop loss trigger in this area. The second one gave you some profit, but it depends upon the traders to decide. But the third entry point, it gave you a very good profit, a decent profit, and also the fourth entry point also provided you a very good decent profit. So this is the way where you should have applied our simple day trading strategy. As you all know, on Tuesday's market, it was really difficult for us to use this strategy. So there was so many stop loss trigger, but finally it ended up in a good decent trading day. But on Wednesday market, you can see it's a wonderful market. Our trading strategy, our tools had provided you an accurate entry and exit points, even in the day where we got the inventory report. That's a Wednesday around 8 o'clock. Every day, every week we will be getting inventory report. But even during the inventory report, whenever there is a major news, you can see our charting platform has got the potential to identify exact entry and exit points. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session today. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.